All right, so today we're going to go over the cable tricep push down, okay? Getting those triceps or the salt shakers, all right, or wings, whatever you call them. All right, so first of all, you want to start with the pulley as high as it can go, all right? So this is as high as mine can go, and so I work with what I got, all right? So how do we start? Bring your shoulders back. Bring your elbows down close into you, and then you're going to push and then come back up, right? Now, the thing with this, okay, so I see a lot of people, they're crunched over, okay? They turn into gremlins. Y'all, bring your shoulders down and back, all right? You want to try to keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Okay, so see how I'm just moving from my elbows. Come back up, bring it back down. Now, I personally like to hinge a little bit, all right, because it allows my elbow to stretch a little bit. That tricep helps extend the arm from the shoulder. Well, if you're in this position, okay, so now you stretch that tricep just a little bit more, okay, when you push down and then you bring it back, coming back up. Now, another thing, right? So a lot of the times people don't pay attention to the wrist, okay? So whenever you're up, right? So see how my wrist is almost breaking, right? So it's up like this, it's not neutral. Okay, so what I want you to think about, shoulders are back, elbows are tucked, bring those elbows to the side. When you come down, watch my wrists, okay? It's a small movement, but I'm pushing my pinkies out, right? I'm essentially doing this. So instead of keeping that wrist breaking, right? So like this, I'm extending it. So it feels like I'm getting more motion, more of a squeeze in that tricep. If you found this video helpful, if it helped you out in any way, please don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe to follow along for the journey. And other than that, don't forget to be strong, work hard, and live your adventure. See ya.